So let us recall what we done in last class. Non-homogeneous ODE. Non-homogeneous ODE. So let me define what is non-homogeneous ODE of second order. Y double dash plus P of x with constant coefficient. So A y dash plus B y equal to R of x. If R of x not identically equal to 0, then we say that this is a non-homogeneous ODE. Now, finding a solution of this non-homogeneous ODE, solution is of the form YH plus YP. So, YH is solution of corresponding homogeneous ODE, non-homogeneous ODE. So, that means we are taking the homogeneous part only. Y double dash plus AY dash plus BY is equal to 0. So similarly, if higher order ODE, the similar procedure we will do by similar procedure. And YP is equal to is called a particular integral or particular solution, and we done by using method of undetermined coefficient. So how to find out YP? So method is method of undetermined coefficient. This is widely used method, and this is applicable when our R of x is in certain form. So first one is if R of x is of the form k e raised to alpha x, then we will assume yp is equal to some c e raised to alpha x. Remember one thing here, whatever here it is alpha, then our solution also here. So we have to find out c. Okay. Second is if R of x is equal to k1 cos omega x or k1 sin omega x, anything, even if it is k1 cos omega x or k1 sin omega x or combination of both k1 cos omega x plus k2 sin omega x, we will assume yp is of the form k cos omega x. Remember one thing, this is the same omega here plus m sin omega x, and we will substitute this and we will find the answer. So now we will do a problem. So that problem is somewhat different type of problem. We will discuss this here. This is our node. So this is our problem. So let me delete this. Okay. So the problem is if R of x is of the form, I am writing here k1 sin omega x, then we have yp is equal to k cos omega x plus m sin omega x. Now this is a different type of problem. Solve y double dash plus y is equal to sin x. So the first we have to find the corresponding homogeneous solution, that is YH. So we know that corresponding homogeneous equation is y double dash plus y is equal to 0. Then which implies auxiliary equation is m square plus 1 equal to 0. That is, this is t square plus 1 y equal to 0. and we replace D equal to M, we will get the auxiliary equation. So M equal to plus or minus I, and we get YH is equal to C1 cos X plus C2 sin X. Now there is a problem here. Okay, so that is important part. So what happened here is, here we have in the homogeneous solution there is sin X and cos X, and our R of X is also a sin X. If we put Yp is equal to, if it is in sin X form, K cos X plus okay, Yp in general it is K cos omega X plus M sin omega X, and here omega is equal to 1. So if we put Yp is equal to K cos X plus M sin X, this will not work, because this is already a solution of homogeneous part. Why? Because there is sin X in the solution. Okay, so if this is already a solution of homogeneous part, hence if we put, or if we take Yp is equal to this, then we will get 0. Okay, so why? Because this is already a solution of homogeneous part. So in that case, similarly, if we have a solution in the homogeneous part, what we will take is, നമുക്ക് റിപ്പീറ്റഡ് റൂട്ട്സ് ഉണ്ടാകുമ്പോൾ എന്താ എടുക്കാറ്, ഇ റേസ് ടു എക്സ് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ എക്സ് ഇ റേസ് ടു എക്സ്. സോ സിമിലർലി we will choose Yp is equal to x into k cos omega x plus m into sin omega x. Okay, so what we will choose is Yp is equal to this k cos omega x plus m into sin omega x. That is omega is equal to 1 here, x k cos omega cos x plus m sin x. Now we will find Yp dash, derivative of this, that is x into derivative of cos x plus sin x, that is equal to k minus k sin x plus m cos x, m sin x plus derivative of x 1 into k cos x plus m sin x. Similarly, we will find Yp double dash. So first we will find the derivative of this, x into minus k cos omega cos x minus m sin x plus, we will put this 1 into derivative 1 into minus k sin x plus m cos x plus, we will find the derivative of this, that is equal to minus k sin x plus m cos x. Now we will put that we can written as x into minus k cos x minus m sin x plus 2k into sin x plus 2m into cos x. Now what we will do is, we will substitute this in the equation. What is our equation? Y double dash plus y is equal to sin x, right? So that is our equation. Let me see. Okay. Okay, so if we substitute this in the equation, in this equation, Okay, y double dash. So we will substitute this yp double dash, that is x into minus cos x minus m sin x plus yp. Okay, minus 2 k sin x plus 2m cos x. We will substitute this plus x into cos x plus m sin x, which is equal to sin x. So what we will get is minus 2k minus 2k. Okay, so we will find so we will equate the coefficient. Here minus 2k sin x is there, and here sin x is there. So you will get minus 2k is equal to 1. So k equal to minus 1 by 2. Similarly, here x into m sin x is there, and also we have 2m cos x. 2m cos x is there. So 2m cos x is there, then m equal to 0. There is no cos term. So m equal to 0. So k equal to minus 1 by 2 and m equal to 0. So what we will get? We will get yp is equal to minus x cos x minus x by 2 cos x. Therefore y is equal to c1 cos x plus c2 sin x minus x by 2 cos x. Okay. Anybody have any doubt? So I will give a similar problem. Okay, you just try to do this problem. Solve y double dash minus 2y dash plus y is equal to e raised to x. Please do this problem. Okay, I will give you 3 minutes. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Y double dash minus 2y dash plus y equal to 0. So here corresponding homogeneous equation is y double dash minus 2y dash plus y is equal to 0. This is homogeneous equation. Then you can written as then what is auxiliary equation? You substitute t by m square minus 2m plus 1 equal to 0. So this is my all square is equal to 0, m equal to plus or minus, sorry, m equal to 1, 1. So you can write yh is equal to c1 e raised to x plus c2 x e raised to x. Okay, have you got this? Anybody? Anybody? So here r of x is equal to e raised to x. Now tell me what we will take yp. Anybody? Tell me. R of x is here e raised to x. Then tell me what will be yp. Can we take e raised to x, k raised to x, or c raised to x?
No, sir.
No. Can we take x c raised to x?
No.
No. So what we can take is c x square e raised to x. Why? Because here already in the homogeneous part we have e raised to x, and also we have x e raised to x. So we will choose yp as this. So similarly നമുക്ക് ഏത് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ വന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാലും ഇതുപോലെ ചെയ്യാം. എന്താണോ ഹോമോജീനിയസ് പാർട്ടിൽ ഉള്ളത് അതേ ടൈപ്പാണ് ഇവിടെ വരുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ, അതായത് ഇ റേസ് ടു എക്സ് ആർ ഓഫ് എക്സിൽ വരുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ just look at that homogeneous part. Here is e raised to x, here is x e raised to x, then the next independent solution is, we can assume that c x square e raised to x. Then you find out yp dash, yp double dash, and then substitute and find the answer. Okay, can you do this? So
Yes, sir.
okay, so please do this problem, and I'm not going to do. Now you can do that, right? Next uh, type of solution is, okay. Now next case is fourth case. If r of x is equal to, I'm writing here k1, k1 e raised to ax cos omega x. This is important type of non-homogeneous equation. If r of x equal to k1 e raised to ax cos omega x, then yp we will choose as e raised to ax into k cos omega x plus m sin omega x. Okay, r of x k1 e raised to ax cos omega x ആണെങ്കിൽ yp we will choose as e raised to ax k cos omega x plus m sin omega x. Okay. Now similarly, can you guess what will be if r of x equal to k1 e raised to ax sin omega x? Sin omega x ആണെങ്കിൽ എന്തായിരിക്കും yp of x? Can you guess? If instead of cos omega x, if there is sin omega x, then what will be yp of x? Sin തന്നെയായിരിക്കും. Okay, whether it is cos omega x or sin omega x, yp we will choose as e raised to ax k cos omega x plus m sin omega. Now we will do a problem. Find the particular integral of d square plus 4d plus 1 y is equal to e raised to x sin 3x. Okay. So here the question is to find only particular integral. So we doesn't want to find the homogeneous part. ഇവിടെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിൽ പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത് only particular integral കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാനാണ്. If it is like solve this integral, then we have to find homogeneous part also. Okay. So here in the question it is to find particular integral. So we have equation 4d plus 1 y is equal to e raised to x sin 3x. So what is omega here? Omega is 3, right? And a is e raised to ax. Instead of a, this is 1. Now here r of x is equal to e raised to x sin 3x. Then we will choose yp is equal to e raised to, we know that it's e raised to a omega x k cos omega x plus m sin omega x, and here omega is equal to 3 and a equal to 1. So which implies yp is equal to here e raised to x k cos x, sorry, k cos 3x plus m sin 3x. So this is y. Okay. Now we will find the particular solution. So there is a differentiation involving differentiation. So what we will do is we will choose yp is equal to e raised to x k cos 3x plus m 3 sin x. Now yp dash is we will differentiate this. E raised to x is there into derivative of this. Or ഇവിടെ ഫസ്റ്റ് ഇതാ ചെയ്യുന്നത് ഡെറിവേറ്റീവ് ഓഫ് ഇ റേസ് ടു എക്സ് ഇൻറ്റു ദിസ് ദറ്റ് ഈസ് കെ കോസ് 3x പ്ലസ് എം സൈൻ 3x പ്ലസ് e raised to x into derivative of this, that is derivative of k cos 3x is minus 3k sin 3x, derivative of m sin 3x is plus 3m cos 3x. Okay, so similarly yp double dash is equal to e raised to x, we will find derivative of this part. So that is yp double dash is equal to e raised to x, derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x k cos 3x plus m sin 3x plus e raised to x into derivative of this k minus 3k sin 3x plus 3m cos 3x plus then again, so we get this part, then also we have to find the derivative of this. So e raised to 3x, e raised to x derivative is e raised to x into derivative of this minus 3k, sorry, e raised to x derivative e raised to x and into this minus 3k sin 3x plus 3m cos 3x plus e raised to x into derivative of this part minus 3 into k into 3, that is minus 9 cos 3x minus 3 into 3 9m sin 3x. Now now we will substitute this yp double dash yp dash yp and we will get so we will substitute in the equation, and I am not going to do all this. So if we substitute the equation and we will equate with the coefficient, okay, then what we will get is okay, and we will equate the coefficient and we can find k and m. K is equal to minus 6 by 111 and m equal to minus 1 by 111. Okay, so that is yp is equal to e raised to x minus 6 by 111 cos 3x minus 1 by 111 sin 3x. So this is the solution. So if you അതൊക്കെ സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്ത് ഒരുമിച്ച് എടുത്തു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നമുക്ക് എന്ത് ചെയ്യാം, ഇക്വേറ്റ് വിത്ത് coefficient of e raised to x sin 3x, you will get this. You can find k and m. So similarly, next problem. Okay, so last. Okay, so if r of x is equal to, I told you that k1 e raised to alpha x or e raised to ax sin omega x, then also yp is equal to e raised to ax k cos omega x plus m sin omega x. So now we will do this problem. So here the problem is solve d square plus 2d plus minus 3 y is equal to e raised to x cos x. So ഇവിടെ solve ആണ്. So we have to find out yh and yp. So instead of finding yh, what we will do is we will first find characteristic equation. Instead of d, we will put m. M square plus 2m minus 3 is equal to 0. So m equal to minus 3, 1. Therefore, yh is equal to c1 e raised to minus 3x plus c2 e raised to x. So here r of x is equal to e raised to x. Okay, so ഈ question e raised to x cos x ഇല്ലത്. Even if sin x, we can do that. Okay, so this question is also in e raised to cos x. If it is e raised to sin x, we will do the similar procedure. So do this problem. R of x is equal to e raised to x cos x. So a is 1 and omega is 1. So then you find out the particular integral. So do this problem and tell me the answer.